Guangzhou Municipal Bureau of Commerce,
广州市商务局长刘成辉先生。
Mr. Gong Hongwu, Deputy Director. Can the two teams proceed to the ground? Guangzhou Municipal.
I'm indeed delighted to be here to be part of this momentous occasion with the announcement of the aid and handover of books for your school here this afternoon.
那么我也非常高兴大家今天能够来到这儿，我非常荣幸能够出席这样一个场合，我们在这里隆重的交接我们的这些目前已有的项目。
Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin by thanking the People's Republic of China through Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province for the kind gesture and ongoing commitment to the development and strengthening of our education and health infrastructure in Fiji.
首先呢，我也想借此机会感谢中国通过广东省以及广州市给予我们斐济的大力援助，我们在基础设施建设以及教育方面一直都是保持着非常良好的合作关系。
Before I move on, I'd be failing in my duty if I do not thank the school management and the school staff for being here with us this afternoon. Of course, all you students who have waited in the sun for this ceremony to begin, so thank you very much.
那么我也想借此机会感谢咱们学校的这些领导的负责人，还有我们学生们在太阳底下也等待了好一会儿时间。
I wish to also acknowledge the party secretary of Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, Mr. Zheng Shufo, and your delegation for visiting our beloved country Fiji to strengthen the friendly ties that continue to grow from strength to strength over the years between Fiji and China.
我也想借此机会感谢张硕副书记以及你们广州代表团的所有成员。正是因为广州一直以来给予我们的合作，我们斐济与广州之间的关系才不断的加强加深。
Today's ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, is also a testament of the genuine and deep relationship Fiji and China has had over a long period of time. And like I said, we are all delighted to note that we're noting that it is growing from strength to strength. And Mr. Secretary, I hope you and your delegation is having a great time in our country, and I'd like to wish you well as you depart our shores later.
那么我觉得我们中国跟斐济之间一直以来咱们这个友谊可谓源远流长。同时呢，我也想告诉张书记，希望您在斐济期间能够待得非常愉快。
Ladies and gentlemen, we have actioned the Memorandum of Understanding signed last year, and again appreciate the Guangzhou City for providing funding to redevelop the school's rugby field and a 100-meter athletics track in September 2018. And of course, I've been told this is the envy of every school around Suva. So students, you are indeed lucky to be part of this generosity from the delegation here. Can I ask you to put your hands together and thank the delegation in the usual manner?
那么我也想借此机会感谢广州对我们这个学校所提供的这个援助。在去年2018年的时候，我们当时签了一个 MOU， 那么决定对这个现有的这个运动场再进行下一步的改造。其实我们现有的这个改造项目，应该说对于苏瓦所有学校来说，都是每一个学校都非常嫉妒跟羡慕的。所以我也想请大家在此鼓掌，感谢广州代表团对我们的支持。
Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, the second event this afternoon, and I think the last event for the day for the delegation, is where we will witness the handing over of the artificial intelligence teaching facilities, lines, props, and books for our Yatsen School.
那么我也想借此机会提一下，咱们今儿下午代表团的最后一个公务呢，是在一线学校，我们会向他们捐赠这个智慧教室。
These donations, I'm sure you'll agree, will boost the participation of students in the academic progress and cultural development. We are moving into an era where technology advancement is a reality, which we must embrace. Technology plays a vital role in teaching and learning in our classrooms as we prepare you, our students, for the 21st century. So these donations that are going to Yatsen Secondary School is greatly appreciated as well.
那么我们也非常了解，在当下的环境当中呢，技术的这种不断的发展，将会给我们带来非常关键的作用。我们也非常希望能够在技术在教育学当中起到非常重要的一个环节。所以呢，我们也想借此机会感谢广州代表团对我们逸仙学校的这个支持。
To students, I wish we had more time so we could talk and communicate well. But this afternoon is all about thanking our partners in education, our partners who are here with us, the Chinese delegations, and finally, I wouldn't like to take much of your time because we'd love to hear from the delegation secretary. Let us join our hands in appreciation for the partnership we have established.
那么我非常希望今天下午能够有足够多的时间跟大家多聊聊天儿。但是今天这个活动的主要目的是为了向我们表达我们对广州代表团的这个感谢，所以请我们再次鼓掌，对他们表示感谢。
With these words, I once again acknowledge the enormous contribution of the People's Republic of China on behalf of the Ministry of Education and on behalf of the government. And Your Excellency, we look forward to ongoing cooperations in the education sector from you and your country. Thank you very much.
再次我也想感谢中国对于咱们斐济的教育所做出的巨大贡献。